The day has finally arrived. Let's go over the new Robinhood debit card and their cash management account. Today's video is brought to you by Morning Brew, a free daily stock market newsletter that's informative and easily digestible. The 5-minute newsletter is perfect for anyone looking to increase their knowledge on the stock market. Get free access today at everydayinvesting.com/brew. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Eric of everydayinvesting.com, where I'm all about helping the everyday investor maximize their saving and investing. Today we are going over the new Robinhood debit card and the cash management account, and I am finally off the wait list. So guys, it's now been about 3 months. I just checked, and yes, it was actually 3 months ago when I last made my Robinhood cash management video when they first announced the new cash management account and debit card coming to the app. It's been 3 months, and let's inspect. This is the packaging, very sleek Robinhood logo. You got the Robinhood debit card on one end, and you've got a statement on the other hand, democratizing America's financial system. Very nice packaging. And this is what we've been waiting for, guys. 3 months in the making. The Robinhood debit card itself. And one thing I really like about this card, guys, is that it is a Mastercard debit card. Now, you may be wondering, why do I like that? Here's why. Because, as you may know, I like investing apps. I use quite a few on this channel, test them out for you guys, share them with you, help you find the right one for you. And I use quite a few investing apps, and they do come with debit cards as well. But all the other ones are Visa. For example, you have M1 Finance. I like M1 Finance. They have a Visa debit card. Same thing with Stash. They have a Visa debit card with Stash. And Acorns as well. I like the Acorns app. Acorns, guys, also comes with a Visa debit card. And I am testing out a couple of other investing apps right now for you guys. And they also have Visa debit cards. So the fact that Robinhood gave us a Mastercard debit card is definitely a nice touch. Get a little Mastercard in your life, get a little Visa, Mastercard, because you know some places only accept one or the other. This way you get a little bit of both. So I like that from Robinhood. But now guys, let's hop into the Robinhood app itself and activate this debit card in real time. So we're gonna go to the second icon, the little wallet there. This is the new cash management account, which you should have access to now. Even if you haven't received your debit card yet, you should already have access, so you can start earning interest on your uninvested cash, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But let's activate this card. Let's see, how do we activate the card? We're gonna scroll down. Have you received your card? I'm gonna click yes, because I have. Activate your card. Let's continue to activate it so we can start using it at ATMs if desired. And after you set up your PIN, it's going to ask you to, if you want to turn on location protection, protect your Robinhood debit card with location protection. Will decline suspicious debit card transactions happen far away from your phone's location. So I think this is definitely a nice, interesting feature on Robinhood's end. If a transaction is made with your card information and it's far away from your phone, it kind of makes sense that it wouldn't be you. So I definitely recommend turning this on. As you can see, guys, the card is now activated here. Your debit card is now ready to use. So this is the inside of the cash management interface inside your Robinhood account. This is where your funds are going to go now when you either sell a stock or you deposit money into your Robinhood account. They're now going to be stored in your cash management account, which is great because you can access those funds from your Robinhood debit card. Whereas before the cash management account and debit card, if you wanted to withdraw your funds, you had to first sell your stock and then you had to transfer funds from Robinhood back to your bank, which took a couple business days. But now, after you sell your stocks and the sale clears, then you'll be able to have access to your funds, quicker access with the debit card straight from the cash management account. So I really like that new feature from Robinhood. Now, as you can see guys here, this is where your buying power will be stored as well. And the great thing about this is you're now gonna earn interest on your uninvested cash. Now, before the cash management account on Robinhood, you did not earn interest on your uninvested cash, but now you do. Currently 1.80% APY interest rate, guys. Do keep in mind though that the interest rate on Robinhood is variable. So as the federal interest rate goes up, so will Robinhood's interest rate. If the federal interest rate goes down, so will Robinhood as well. And if you click on transfer here, this is where you can transfer money into Robinhood from your bank, as well as from Robinhood and withdraw it back to your bank. So you have ability to do both there. You can also set up direct deposit with the Robinhood cash management account, and you can even schedule an automatic recurring deposit just the same. So you have a lot of features inside your cash management account here. Also guys, if you scroll down to your debit card, you can also find Fee Free ATMs. And you could see guys, there are many Fee Free ATMs, and it'll show you the locations as well as how close they are to you. Pretty cool. You can find places, let's just say 7-Eleven, and you could even open it up in Google Maps to direct you there to withdraw your funds or deposit funds if you ever need to into your Robinhood cash management account. So very cool. You can find your fee-free ATMs there as well. Another interesting feature with the Robinhood debit card and cash management account, guys, is you can use it to pay bills and use it for Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. Plus, if you're wondering, the Robinhood cash management account is FDIC insured, which is the same FDIC insurance found at your local bank. Why not earn interest on your uninvested cash? And why not have quicker access to your funds with the Robinhood debit card? Now, if you enjoyed this video on the new Robinhood debit card inside the Robinhood stock trading app, and you want to compare Robinhood to two of my other favorite free stock trading apps that really give Robinhood a real run for its money, I encourage you to check out this video right here on my 3 best stock trading apps for new stock traders.